Ever wondered if there's a soundtrack for enhancing your brain's performance? A unique way to manage stress, improve focus, or even induce sleep? Welcome to the fascinating world of binaural beats, a sonic phenomenon that's been making waves in the field of brainwave entrainment. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and let's embark on this auditory journey. So, what are binaural beats? The term might sound complex, but the concept is quite straightforward. When you hear two tones, one in each ear, that are slightly different in frequency, your brain processes a beat at the difference of the frequencies. This is a binaural beat. Originating back in 1839 by physicist Heinrich Wilhelm Dove, binaural beats are a testament to the power of sound and its influence on our brain. But how do binaural beats work? It's all about brainwave entrainment. Our brain has a natural tendency to synchronize its brainwave frequencies with the rhythm of sounds it's exposed to. So, when we listen to a binaural beat, it's suggested that our brainwave pattern syncs to the beat frequency. This frequency can be matched to brainwave speeds associated with various states of consciousness, like relaxation or alertness. Binaural beats are often categorized by the range of frequencies they target, corresponding to different brainwave states. Delta, 1,4-Z for deep sleep. Theta, 4,8,8-Z for deep relaxation and REM sleep. Alpha, 8,13-A's for relaxed alertness. Beta, 13,30-Hz for active thinking or concentration. Gamma, 30,50-Hz for high-level cognitive processing, each serving a unique purpose in your brain's symphony. Though the science is still evolving, numerous studies suggest potential benefits of binaural beats. These include stress reduction, improved focus, better sleep, and enhanced mood. Some even claim they can foster creativity or assist in pain management. But remember, while they can be a tool to aid in various areas, binaural beats are not a cure, all and should be used responsibly and complementarily. While binaural beats present an exciting area of research, it's important to approach with a balanced perspective. Results can vary from person to person, and more research is needed to solidify claims. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider before using binaural beats therapy, especially if you're prone to seizures or have a cardiac condition. And that's binaural beats, deeply explained. An intriguing intersection of sound and neuroscience, promising a myriad of potential benefits. If you found this video enlightening, give us a thumbs up. Share it with others who might benefit, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more captivating content. Until next time, keep exploring and learning.